In the bustling world of dental practices, the installation of a dental chair marks a pivotal moment. It's not just about providing comfort, it's about precision, efficiency, and the seamless integration of technology that empowers dental professionals to deliver exceptional care. Opening the package is where it all begins. One must handle this initial step with care, laying out the chair's components in a clean, well-lit area. It's essential to inspect each piece for any signs of damage and ensure nothing is missing. Think of it as setting the stage for a flawless performance. Next up, assembling the base plate is more than just following instructions. It's about creating a sturdy foundation. Attaching components like the chair base, hydraulic pump, and support structures must be done meticulously. Secure each part tightly, ensuring the base plate is anchored firmly to the floor. This careful assembly prevents any future wobbling or instability. Moving on to the air and water tubes, these are the lifelines of the dental chair. Attach these tubes to their designated, often color-coded ports. The goal here is a snug fit to ensure unobstructed airflow and water supply. It's crucial to avoid any kinks in the tubes and to tighten connections just right, not too loose, not too tight, to avoid potential damage. The operating lamp is next. This isn't just about shedding light, it's about enhancing visibility for precision in dental procedures. Attach the lamp to its arm or bracket, ensuring it's secure yet adjustable. Properly positioned, this lamp will illuminate every procedure without shadow or strain. Covering the chair with the provided lid or cover is akin to putting on the finishing touches. This step protects the chair's internals from dust and debris, ensuring longevity and reliability. It's also a practice in maintaining a pristine work environment, which is essential in any dental practice. Finally, testing each component's functionality is critical. From the smooth adjustment of the chair's height to the efficient operation of the air and water systems, every element must be in top working condition. This not only ensures the chair's readiness for dental procedures, but also secures the safety and comfort of patients and dental staff alike. By adhering to these steps, one ensures that the dental chair is not just installed, but perfectly primed for the important work it's meant to support. This is how technology meets care in the world of dentistry. The dental chair is a fundamental piece of equipment in dental clinics serving multiple medical applications. It's designed to provide optimal access to the patient's oral cavity for various dental procedures, ensuring both patient comfort and efficient working ergonomics for dental professionals. The chair allows for precise positioning of the patient, which is crucial for the dentist to perform treatments effectively. Ergonomics play a significant role in the design of dental chairs, aiming to prevent musculoskeletal problems for dentists by enabling them to adopt a more natural and comfortable posture during procedures. In terms of innovations, dental chairs have seen significant advancements to enhance their functionality and integration with technology. Some of the key innovations include voice control. Modern dental chairs can be operated via voice commands, allowing dentists to adjust the chair's position without manual intervention. This feature helps in maintaining sterility and reduces physical strain on the dentist. Multimedia integration. Dental chairs now come equipped with multimedia systems that connect to imaging software and display screens. This integration supports an educational framework where patients can visualize their dental health issues and understand the proposed treatment plans. Virtual reality (VR). Some dental chairs incorporate VR technology to improve patient experience by providing immersive environments that can distract from pain and anxiety during procedures. Advanced imaging and diagnostic tools. Chairs are being designed with built-in imaging and diagnostic tools like X-ray scanners and intraoral cameras, which are seamlessly integrated into the chair structure for ease of use. Eco-friendly materials. With a focus on sustainability, new dental chairs are being made with recyclable or biodegradable components, reflecting a commitment to environmental responsibility. These innovations not only improve the efficiency and effectiveness of dental treatments, but also significantly enhance the patient's experience during their visit to the dentist. The integration of technology into dental chairs is transforming them into sophisticated workstations that support a wide range of dental procedures and patient interactions, including the use of videos for educational purposes. Dental chairs have evolved significantly, integrating cutting-edge technology and ergonomic designs to enhance patient care and clinical efficiency. Let's explore some of the latest uses and innovations in dental chairs. Intraoral cameras. High-resolution cameras are seamlessly built into dental units, capturing detailed oral images. These images aid real-time patient education, allowing dentists to explain treatment plans effectively. Integrated curing lights. LED curing lights are now integrated into the dental chair itself, eliminating the need for separate external devices. This streamlines procedures and ensures efficient curing of dental materials. Articulating headrests. Dental chairs feature fully adjustable headrests with tilt and height modifications. This customization provides patients with optimal comfort and support during treatments. Adjustable armrests. Pivoting armrests adapt to patients of all sizes, ensuring accessibility and comfort. Lumbar support. Contoured backrests with flexible lumbar support reduce strain on patients during prolonged procedures. Chair-mounted units. Delivery systems mounted directly on dental chairs rather than on the wall improve accessibility to handpieces and other components. Auto return feature. Programmable auto return brings the chair to a preset home position after treatments, preventing collisions and ensuring safety. Integrated suction systems. Built-in suction eliminates external tubes, providing unencumbered access for treatments. Integrated 3D imaging. Some advanced dental chairs feature integrated intraoral scanners that capture 3D impressions. These enhance diagnostic capabilities and treatment accuracy. Integrated augmented reality, AR. AR overlays patients' digital radiographs onto the dentist's field of vision during treatment. This boosts precision and outcomes. Integrated AI analytics. Artificial intelligence AI integration analyzes patient data over time, providing insights not readily detected by the human eye. The average price range for advanced dental chairs with integrated technology typically spans between $8,000 and $15,000.